Hi darlings, I'm Charlotte Tilbury and I have a massive beauty secret to share with you. Airbrush Flawless Foundation. This is an innovation foundation that I have been working on for a very long time. Why did I create this foundation? Because as a makeup artist for 27 years, working with foundations, I wanted a heavy coverage foundation, but I wanted it to feel light as air. This does. I wanted something that would cover rosacea, acne, pigmentation. Even if you had beautiful skin, it just gave you that kind of poreless, flawless finish. You tell me, whatever your skin wishes, this foundation does it. I have put in 2% REPLEXIUM. REPLEXIUM is an absolute miracle serum. It really is. So I've put this inside the foundation. This is a really, really potent amount. And when that's inside the foundation, what that's doing for you is we did clinical trials and it's reducing the appearance of your lines and the wrinkles on your face, the fine lines, by 22% within 8 weeks. So this foundation is working really hard for you on your skin. It's honestly amazing. The REPLEXIUM, the MossCellTec, it literally hydrates your skin by 216% within 1 hour of putting this foundation on your skin. That is amazing. I also did a study of 650 women. 650 women of all ages, all skin tones, all races, and I studied their skin, and sometimes people had up to 6 shades in their faces, and what I did is I put foundation on their arms, on their chest, on their cheeks, on their forehead, and on their jawline. We all know about the jawline, to be able to get that flawless match going on to cross the jawline onto the neck. But actually, sometimes people have different skin tones everywhere, and kind of with deeper to tan to medium skin tones, they can often change quite a lot. So what I did is I revolutionized in the laboratory the way that people naturally build foundations. So what I decided to do was build from the deeper skin tones. So from the deeper skin tones, the tan skin tones, the medium skin tones, and eventually doing the fair skin tones. Because most people, when they build foundations, start with the fairer skin tones. And that's why by the time they get to the medium, to the tan, to the deeper skin tones, they can often go ashy. The reason they go ashy is because there's too much white pigment by starting with the fairer skin tones. So if you start with the deeper skin tones, you can stretch the foundation in a much more beautiful way. So you start with more black, more terracotta, then the kind of yellow pigments and the white pigments. And so this beautiful stretch, being able to stretch the formula in the most fantastic way and working with the overtones and then balancing the undertones. So every skin has an overtone, whether you look in the mirror and you say, you know, I've got fair skin, but my undertone might be a little bit blue or a little bit pink or a little bit red or a little bit peach, you know, depending, or a bit olive. So that huge study, along with matching foundation on your arms, on your décolletage, on your cheek, on your jawline, was really the most incredible way and the wonderful study to be able to come up with the 44 flawless matches. So now, darlings, you're going to watch my niece Sofia Tilbury apply Airbrush Flawless Foundation on the gorgeous model Arbenita, and you can see the miracle of this foundation.
Flawless before, flawless after.
So when Charlotte was mixing these shades, she was actually testing on models' arms, on their chests, on their necks. And I'm actually going to test this on your jawline today because I feel like this is going to be the easiest way to shade match you. From your jawline down to your neck. And I feel like this is a really good match.
Now we've found Arbenita's Airbrush Flawless shade, we're going to prep the skin with Magic Cream and Magic Eye Rescue to really plump and nourish the complexion. We never do makeup without it.
So I'm using Holly Flawless Filter as a primer for the skin. This is going to leave Arbenita's skin looking dewy and glowy.
Airbrush Flawless Foundation has the most revolutionary, groundbreaking, first-to-market ingredients. From Magic REPLEXIUM Serum to visibly reduce the appearance of wrinkles by up to 22%, to MossCellTec to boost hydration levels by 216%, and AirCool for a fresh, just applied feel on the skin. Magic Vanish instantly acts like an invisibility cloak for any darkness. I absolutely love the packaging. It's the cutest little compact you can carry with you anywhere. Next, I'm topping that with Magic Away in shades 7 and 9. The lighter shade is brightening the under eye area, and the other is a true match to work with the complexion and conceal any blemishes. Top tip, if you know your Magic Away shade, that should also be your Airbrush Flawless Foundation shade number.
Next, I'm using Charlotte's Airbrush Flawless Finish Powder, and I'm using shade 2. And I'm just using it in the center of the face, on the chin, and just on the forehead, leaving all the high points dewy.
Never ever underestimate the power of a good brow. A flawless look like this deserves an iconic kiss of Pillow Talk colour. So I'm taking the Pillow Talk Luxury palette and creating a super flattering pinky taupe eye for a mesmerising gaze.
And I'm going to start by using the prime shade all over our Bonita's eye. And then I'm just going to go in with my smudger brush, adding some in the inner corners of the eyes. Now I'm going to go into the enhanced shade, which is a gorgeous pinky colour. Next, I'm going to use the smoke shade.
Feline Flick is Charlotte's ultimate trick to elongate and define the eye. So to finish this mesmerising eye, we need lashes. Apply lashings and lashings of Full Fat Lashes mascara for the ultimate flawless flatter. Then I'm going to contour and highlight the gorgeous complexion. I'm obsessed with Film Sub Bronze and Glow. Carve out cheekbones by applying contour along the hollow of the cheeks and then buff it into the skin using the large end of the powder and sculpt brush. Lips are always my favourite part. I'm going to define the shape of our Bonita's gorgeous lips with the Lip Cheat and Pillow Talk. And I'm topping that with Charlotte's iconic best-selling Pillow Talk lipstick for the ultimate natural nude pout. Add a final kiss of glowing natural blush colour to the cheeks using the Cheek to Chic blush and Pillow Talk.
So to finish this look off, I'm going to be using a bit more of the Hollywood Flawless filter, and I'm going to be using that on top of the cheekbones to give this look a bit more of a glow. So there you have it, the Airbrush Flawless Foundation with the Pillow Talk look.
Flawless before, flawless after.